Hi, and welcome to this webinar. Today, we will show you how to download and use an app for employees. First, we're going to show you how to install the app. So when your employer adds you to Moonworkers, you will receive an email, like this one, to the address you communicated to them. So, from your smartphone, click on the link corresponding to your device, Android or Apple. This will direct you to the corresponding store. Just click on Install. Okay, so at this point, how do you log in? You have two options. So if this is the first time you are using the app, then just use the email address to which we have sent your access and the password provided. You'll get a chance to change this password later on, so you can use one that is easier to remember. And click on Signing. And that's it. However, if you previously used our website to log into your employee's account, you can use the same login credentials. They remain the same. So, you won't have any trouble here to log in. Okay, so let's do this. Now I'm connected. When prompted, please enable notifications. Otherwise, you will miss some important notifications from your employer, such as shifts, tasks, holiday approval, and so on. Okay, so let's have a look at the app. So here on top, you have the menu bar, where you can see all the options you have. First, you can use the app to request some time off. Don't forget to sync your phone calendar by clicking on this button here. So let's request for leave together to see how it works. Click on the blue button here. Choose the type of leave. Let's say this is a holiday. Next, click here to pick a date. Let's say I'm going on leave on the 31st. Pick your comeback date. And done. We will notify you when your employer has given you a response. In the meantime, you can still amend your request. Second, you can submit payrollable expenses. Click on the blue button. Select some type of expenses. Let's say this is a business meal. Select when this lunch happened. Let's say the cost was £100. You can screenshot a receipt. Give a label and an optional comment. Okay, we're done. Third, using Moonworkers, you can upload or sign documents directly from the app. Let's have a look at this. So here I've received a notification that my employer wants me to sign this document here. I'll click on Answer and then Sign. It opens HelloSign. This is just a demo signature. Complete. Fourth, you receive shift bookings through the app. What you see below is an assignment. It means that your employer has assigned you to a shift. After clicking on it, you can see all the details. Second, you can receive open shifts. In that case, receiving a notification doesn't mean that you are assigned to the shift. It means that you can apply to it if you're available and up for it. So, click on Apply. Your employer knows that you're available for this shift. We will send you another alert inviting you to clock in when you're due to start your day. You just have to click on the notification and then click on Clock In. We log that to the app and notify your employer that you have started to work. At the end of the day, same process. We ping you and you just have to clock out that way here by clicking on this button. Fifth, you receive task notifications, such as this one here. In that example, my employer asks me to check an inventory. Update your manager by clicking on this button here. Available actions. You can add a comment. Start working on it. And flag a problem, if any. And when you're done, just click on Complete Tasks. so you let them know when you are in it and completed the task. Finally, you can use the app to update your information, your personal details, contact details, starter details, and so on. So everything is easier and faster for you. Moonworkers app for employees is also where you can sign your payslips. If you encounter any problems, you can find support by clicking on Get Help from the menu. And that's it. I hope this presentation was clear enough. Don't hesitate to reach out to the team if you have any questions. We hope you'll enjoy using Moonworkers. Bye for now.